Hi everyone, it's me Neema and today I'm here to prepare a very simple recipe with grated potatoes. They're perfect to have for breakfast. So let's get started. To a bowl, let's add 2 cups of grated potatoes, 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, few coriander leaves chopped, and an egg. Now let's combine it well. Let's keep this aside. Next step is to heat up a pan and add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. Then take a ladle full of this mixture and drop it into a hot ghee. Now to give it a shape, I am using a normal ring. See, like this. Press it gently. Let's cover and cook it on a low-medium flame. When it's done, let's flip it and cook the other side. See, our delicious potato pancake is ready. Same way we can do with the rest of our mixture. I hope, as usual, you guys loved this video too. So do give a big like to this recipe and also do share with maximum friends as possible. See you all in my next video. Take care and God bless.